5. Now in this one, question number 1. Now what is the question here? It is based on number series 4 and 11. Now if you observe here numbers starting with the 4, ending with the 795, 768 and so on. Numbers are increasing at a very fast rate. Hence it must be product or combination. Product is not possible, hence it must be combination. Now 90 and 266 if you observe here, into 3 minus 4. Now here it is into 3 minus 3. Now here it is into 3 minus 2. Next one here it is into 3 minus 2. Into 3 is constant and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are subtracted. Now 266 into 3 minus 5. 18 minus 5. 18 minus 5 is 13. Last digit 3. Choice 3 is the answer, question number 1. Then coming to question number 2. A boy introduces a woman as that woman is the daughter of whom? The brother of his father. His father means boy is here. Boy's father is A. His father's brother. Boy's father's brother is boy's uncle. Uncle's daughter. Isn't it? Now who is this person? This woman is his uncle's daughter. Uncle's daughter means cousin. Choice 2, question number 2. Boy's father's brother is uncle. Now this person is uncle's daughter. Uncle's daughter is cousin. The next one coming to question number 3. 11 and 119. 11 and 119, tell me how to represent this one. 11 into how much? 11 into 10 plus 9. Again here 17 into 10 plus 9, it is not there. Then the relation between 11 and 10. The previous number to 11 is 10. Previous number to 17 is 16. 17 into 16 plus 9. How much is that one? 272 plus 9, 281. Must have been or else n square. 11 square. How much is 11 square? 11 square plus 10. 11 square minus 11. 11 square minus 11 is 110 plus 9. Here also 17 square minus 17 plus 9. 17 square minus 17 plus 9. 281. 272 plus 9, 279. 281. Then question number 4. Poverty, death, illness, population and unemployment. Now select the correct option that indicates a statement of the given words in a logical and meaningful order. Now in a logical and meaningful order, tell me what is the order we have? First one, population, isn't it? Then poverty, death, illness, population, unemployment. Population and more the population leads to more unemployment, and because of this one more poverty and illness and finally death. And choice 3, question number 4. Then fifth one, which two numbers should be interchanged? 4 and 12. Now 4 and 12, this is 12 and this is 14. 12 and this is 4. 961 divided by 12. Is it divided by this one? No. And that is ruled out. 89 and 31. Now tell me 89 and 31 can be interchanged these two or not? 89 and 31, this is 31 and this is 89. Then in this case 961 divided by 4 is not a valid one. Then 12 and 89. Now 12 and 81, again 961 divided by 4, it is not possible. And somehow or the other this 4 must be interchanged, isn't it? And choice 1 cannot be your answer, choice 4. And 4 and 31, 31 is here and this is 4. Now 961 divided by 31 is 31 plus 89 minus 48. Then what is your answer here? 72, choice 4. Then in this question number 6, how much is there? 6th one? Now jovial. Jovial, jovial. Now here in this one, jovial, what is the value given? 68. And what is the opposite letter to J? Ma J ka opposite letter anta cheppandi. For J its opposite letter is 17. Q. And for V it is 5. And L it is 15. Then for the remaining letters, 17 plus 5, 22 plus 15, 37. And 37 plus 15, 42. And 42 plus 9, 51. And 51, 42 plus 9, 51 plus 1, 52. And 52 and 68 is the number given. Most of the 68. Then coming back to this one, Har'S, let us check out here. Now in this word Har'S, Har'S. Now what is the value of H? H is 19 and R is how much? R is 9 and S is how much? S is 8 and 8. Now these two are 1 and 1. Now 19 plus 1, 20 plus 9, 29 plus 1, 30 and 30 plus 8, 38. 38 plus 8, 46. How many letters are there? 6. 46 plus 6 is 52. Must have been there. And sum of these two. Then in the same way, if you observe here, fantasy. And what is the code to the word fantasy here? Fantasy answer vastunda manaki. Now in this word fantasy, the value for F is almost 21 and A is 1, N is 13 and T is 7 and A is 1, S is how much? S is 8 and Y is 2. Now with the help of this one, what is the value here? 21 plus 1, 22 plus 13, 35 plus 7, 42, 43. 43 plus 8, 51 plus 2, 53. 53 plus 7, 60 is the answer. And sum of the place values is added to the number of letters. 60, that is choice 1. Then coming to this 70. Now in this 70th. Must 70 chesar andaru? Now question number 7. Now in this 7th one, what is the first element? P, N, Q. P and Q are else alternate P, Q, R. Sarpendra. And here N, O, P. What is the letter we have? O is the letter. And second letter, S, T, U. Here I, J, K. I, J, I, here J, that letter must be J. Hence O and J should be the next one. The next one, R, S, T. Here I, J, K. Make it ATM man kraval cheppandi. Fourth element. Fourth element kabatti R. R the next end ravali. Yes. And so need to have JOS. Now JOS choice 2. JOS or OJS? OJS. OJS choice 4. The 9th one. Now in this question number 8. మనకి ఇక్కడ కూడా OJS ఉంది కదా. And first and the fourth we are having OJS. And Q is also same. We need to find out the last letter. My last letter ఒకసారి చెప్పండి GHI. Now what should the last letter? H. Choice 4 is the answer. 8th one, all teachers are students. Now these are the teachers that are students. And some students are masters. And no teacher is a master as of now too. Some masters or teachers is false. If false and some masters or teachers is true, no teacher is a master false, some teachers are master is true. And so what is your answer? When the first one is true, second false, second is true, first false. And say either 1 or 2, choice 3. 9th one, now we need to arrange all these in a particular order here. Then what is the order we are having? 824 divided by 16 minus equal to divided by and into. Then now will you get 2298 here, 34 days, 17 into 2298. It cannot be equal to left hand side. And so choice 1 is straight away ruled out. Then next one into here, 822 into 16 plus minus equal to, then 2 divided by. Can this happen here? No. Then next one, third one, and here it is division divided by, and this is into. And 34 divided by 2 into. That is 17 into this one and 82. Now 824 minus 16 plus. Now here also it cannot be that value. Again, man can 17 into 2000. Then this is again ruled out. Then 824 divided by 16 into plus minus. Now this is equals to 229. 824 divided by 16. And now 16 5s, isn't it? Now 16 5s 80. Mautunda manaki side division aithe avadu kada. 824 divided by 16 into 44. Now 4 1s, 4 4s, 4 11s. Now with the help of 4, 420 is 206. Now 206 into 11, isn't it? Plus 34. And 206 into 11, what is the number we have? And plus 34 minus 2 equals to 2298. Saripotunda choice 4. Then 10th one, deprive. DEPRIVE. Now the code given to the word deprive is OQFER, QFER, FWG. QFERFWJ. QFERFWJ. Then tell me what is the code for this one. D and Q. Yes, what is the relation between these two D and Q? Main answer on the PQ, EF and DE. Now the middle letter is same as it is. D, next letter is E, EF, PQ, IJ, VW, EF. And similarly in the same way, now ECS, TASY. Now to this word ecstasy. Then T is as it is. S plus 1, C plus D, E plus 1. A plus 1, S plus T, Y plus Z. TDF, TZ, TB. TDF, TZ, TB, choice 3, question number 10. Then next 11th one, Z, C and U. And P, Q and E. M, N and T, M, K, N. Tell me what is your answer in this case? Odd one, what happened? Third one. Why it is third one? Now, first and last. Now, if you check out here, Z and U, what is the difference? We have 5. Here can manaki 3. And P and Q, E. Next one, M and T and M, K, N. Now, what is your answer in this case? First two letters, capital, and last letter is what? Last letter is a count. Now here, the first and the third letters are capital letters. Choice 3, question number 11. Then 12th one, how many elements we have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 and so on. 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what is the first element we have? R, RP, R and P. It also RPQ, RPQO, RPQON, 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 and so on. Then what are the letters that are missing out here? PQN, RO, and PON, RQ. Choice? First one. Then next one, 13th one, 12, 7, 78. Ma Japan ela vastundi manaki. Now, the digits in 12, 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 is how much? 3. Now here 1 plus 8 is how much? 9. Now 3 into 9, that is 27. Sum of the digits in each of these number product is the last number in that column. 7. 1 plus 9 is 10. 7 into 9 is 70. Now 7 plus 8, 15. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 9. 15 into 9, 135, choice 3. The next one, 14th one, 9, 5, 6, and so on. 9 and 6, tell me how to represent this one. 9 into 0.5 is 4.5 plus 0.5, that is 5. 5 into 1 plus 1, that is 6. And 6 into 1.5 plus 1.5. 6 into 1.5, 9 plus 1.5, 10.5. Now 10.5 into 2 plus 2, 21 plus 2, 23. Then what is the number we have? The number is 10.5, choice 1. Into 0.5 plus 0.5, into 1 plus 1, into 1.5 plus 1.5, into 2 plus 2. Then 15th one. Now in this 15, ABASH. ABASH a bash, and its code is BDDWM. Now BDDW and M. And in the same way, baffle. BAFFLE, baffle. Now in this word baffle, then what is the other code? Now tell me what is the logic behind this one? A and B. What is the difference we have between A and B? Make a difference in the one kada? Ekada M or 2. A it is 3. Next it is 4, here it is 5. And similarly here again B plus 1C, A plus 2C, and plus 3 is what? I, plus 4 is J, and plus 5 is Q, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and E plus 5. And CCIJ, IJQK, choice 3 is 15. Then in this one, 16th one, in an office of 120 employees. Now total number of employees is given, that is mu is 120. And out of which 48%, 48 people did not participate in any one of this one. Hence n equals to 48, none. That means students who have participated in this one is 79. Isn't the remaining 3 areas must be equals to 79. And 44 employees participated in conference 1. Now in conference 1, and this is conference 1, total number of people participated in 1 is 44. But not only 1 and 6 take a trial. As the word only is not given, it is talking about the total people who have participated in 1, 44. And 52 employees participated in 2. Now this is 52. Then how many participated only in conference 1? Now we need to find out those who have participated in this one. అంతే కదా మీది ఎలా వస్తుంది చెప్పండి. Now out of this 120, 48 is removed. Now we are left with how much? 70, 72. Now these three must be equals to 72. Now if you take the sum as x, common intersection, ఇది ఎంత అవుతుంది 44 minus x. ఇది ఎంత అవుతుంది 52 minus x. Now these three must be equals to 72. 44 minus x plus x plus 52 minus x must be equals to how much? 72. X and x will get cancelled. 44 plus 52, how much is that? 94, 96. 96 and 72 if comes to this place. 96 minus 72, 24. X will go to that place, minus x will become plus x. Hence there are 24 students who are participated in both these two. And if it is 24, only one is 44 minus 24, 20. And in this one, 52 minus 24. And those 28. Must సరిపోయిందా? And so what is your answer here? 20 choice. Then, and so whenever the center element is not given, this is how you need to find out the intersection part. Once you got the intersection part, you can able to find out all the remaining components. Must సరిపోయిందా? Then 17th one. Now in 17th one, what is the code for that? What is the code? My name was that one. That is here, isn't it? Now that is here. That can be not mine. That can be not. Now between these two, that is the only word that is common between these two. As that is the word that is common, what is the code that is common? MQ. And the code for that is MQ, choice to 17th one. Then 18th one, Kuwait is related to dinar. What is the relation between these two? Now, country and the currency. And Syrian. And Syrian and its currency is what? And its currency is a pound. And when number A is multiplied to its next number, and the product will be 2162. That is x into x plus 1. N square plus n. N square plus n equals to how much? 2162. అంతే కదా? N into n plus 1. N square plus n is, when number A is added to B, a total of 98 will be obtained. మరి ఇప్పుడు ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్పండి? A is added to B అన్నాం. Okay? Then find the value of number B. Now n square plus n equals to 2162. Then what is the value of A? N. N equals to 46. 46 into 47. That is 2162. N equals to how much? N equals to 46. Then when B is added, total will be 98. Hence 98 minus 46. How much is that one? 8 minus 6 is 2, 9 minus 4 is 5. And the number B is 52. Now, సరిపోయిందా? N square plus n equals to 2162. That is n equals to how much? N into n plus 1. And n equals to 46. Then 20th, 4 words have been given. An alien, greenhorn, native and a foreigner. Then tell me what is your answer here? Except native. All the remaining three are what? They are synonyms to each other. And which means the same meaning. Then we need to find out the figure that comes into the next one. Next figure, ఎక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం చెప్పండి. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 and again we need to have the same. Now if you observe here, the first and this one are one and the same. And second and this one must be the one and the same. మన దీనిలాగా ఉండాలి ఆన్సర్. దీనిలాగా ఉండే ఆన్సర్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది చెప్పండి మనకి? Choice 1 is the answer. Now that means, now this is divided into 4 parts. Every fourth element will be the same. 1, 5, 2, 6, sorry, 1, 4 and 2, 6, 1, 5, 2, 6, 3, 7, 4, 8. Then 22nd. Now we need to find out the total number of triangles in this figure. Now tell me how many are there in this one? Now this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, isn't it? And this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7. All these are individual, 7. And next one, this total is 8 bigger one. And this is 9 bigger one. Sorry, 9. Then once this 9 has been done, then, ఇది చూడండి, ఇది ఒకటి ఉంది, ఇది కాదు. 9, Then next one 10 and 11. ఇది ఒకటి వస్తుందా? This is 10 and this is 11. Done? And how many are there? 11 altogether. 11, that is choice one. The next one, figure that is folded and cut. Now from here to here. Now the same element, this figure will be like this. That means from top to bottom. Now when it is open like this. Open అయితే ఎలా ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? Now, and this will be like this. ఈ మూడు ఇలా ఉంటాయి and this will be open to this point. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? Then ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి మళ్ళీ ఏమవ్వాలి? Mirror image. Now mirror image, hence this square and this square must be like this. And again these three will be like this, these three will be like this. Then what is your answer here? Choice 2. These three must be same, these two. 23, choice 2. Then 24th one, you need to find out the mirror is placed to the right of the figure. Right of the figure means then M దగ్గర నుంచి M cannot be like this, isn't it? M is like this, this cannot be 2 and 4. Now M 4A 3. Now if you observe here 3 is from left to right. Here it must be right to left, and this is the correct figure. సరిపోయిందా? ఇక్కడ 3 మళ్ళీ రెగ్యులర్ 3 వచ్చింది. ఇది మిర్రర్ ఇమేజ్ ఎలా ఉండాలి? దిస్ ఈజ్ ద రైట్ ఫిగర్. Choice 2, question number 24. Then 25, now we need to find out the figure that has to be completed into this. Now here this is the figure we have, now this is the cross. And once this cross has been done, next like this, isn't it? Then to this one, next time undali cheppandi. Now this triangle must be present like this. Avuna kada? And triangle must be present like this. Deniki triangle. Then tell me what is the choice to this one? Choice 3. Choice 3 is the correct figure to this. Choice 3.